Today I'm sewing 2 Bible cover orders and capturing all the content I need for the next week. I love batching like this because it saves me time and it keeps my posting consistent, even with my rotating schedule. Let's sew these orders together and get them dropped off before noon. I always start by cutting all the pieces first. It helps me get into the flow and stay organized. I like to prep everything at once so I don't have to keep stopping in between steps. This is one of the ways I keep my sewing time fast and smooth, especially when I'm working around my work schedule. Now I'm just sewing the pockets and attaching them to the lining. I love this part because it starts to look like a real cover. When I batch my clips like this, I can use them in long form and in shorts, and it keeps my filming simple and stress-free. I try to film 5 to 6 short clips from different angles, so I always have options. Once everything is sewn, I trim the seams and turn the covers right side out. This is always the most satisfying moment. Now I'm top stitching and adding the final touches. This pattern is one of my most popular items and has been a big part of my shop ever since I created it. I give everything a good press and make sure the edges are crisp and clean. These 2 covers came out beautiful, and I know they'll make great gifts. Now it's time to package the orders. I love to pack them with care because I want every customer to feel special when they open their order. I film packaging clips because they make great B-roll for future videos and shorts. I made it to the post office before 12. I always feel so accomplished when I finish orders early in the day. This helps me stay ahead on content and ahead of my sewing. Thank you. So after sewing and making it to the post office, I decided to stop and grab me another coffee from my new favorite coffee spot. It's Vietnamese coffee and it tastes so good. And then I went to grab a salad for lunch at the salad station. I love a good salad. And then I spent the rest of my evening editing this video. Thank you for spending the morning with me, and I have more holiday market prep videos coming, and I can't wait to show you the new sets I'm adding to the shop, and I'll see you in the next video.